Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. You are such a lovely people out there. My dear, AKPABIO is in another one. Apparently, a 3 million bribe was sent each to each senator to pass a particular bill. Another senator now has exposed the whole thing. He said, who was the money paid to? 3 million naira bribe each for bill allegations rock National Assembly. So a senator now is querying AKPABIO, asking, where is the money? When it comes to matter of money, people they choke. They're asking questions. Where is the money? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. So a lot is going on right now, and AKPABIO needs to speak, begin to speak. There is still Natasha's issue that has not yet been sorted. So there's a lot going on at the moment. The National Assembly has been engulfed in fresh controversy over the bribery for bill allegations made by a House of Representative member, Ibrahim Alore. News reports that Alore, who represents Alo Kofi Hausa Federal Constituency of Jigawa State, recently alleged that the House members paid between 1 million and 3 million to have their bill represented at the Green Chamber. Speaking in Hausa, a lawyer was reported to have said, since I was elected as a member in 2015, no individual has given me a bill to pass, and also even the bill and petitions are paid for. What you see, the bills being passed, people pay for them. Those who actually want those bills passed go an extra mile. You have to pay from 3 million, 2 million, or 1 million each to each of the members of the House to present it. And after you present the bill, you must follow up by lobbying the whole 360 members of the House to accept the bill. This is what is going on in the chamber. However, the leadership of the House, in a statement issued on Saturday by its spokesman, Akin Rotimi, dismissed the allegation, insisting Alore must give evidence because he's speaking substantially. His claim, when the House resumed plenary, must be looked into. Tejua Base led House also challenged the lawmaker to provide evidence of his claim or face the prospect of a referral to the House of Representative Committee and Ethics for thorough view. Nobody talk for years, say disciplinary, with a whole bribery allegation against the Senate and the House of Representatives. The statement reads, the House of Representatives has taken notice of a viral video in which Ibrahim Usman Alore, member representing Adija Ayo Kafi Hausa Federal Constituency of Jigawa State, allege that members of the House received payment to sponsor motion, bills, and petition. These allegations are unsubstantial and, if left unclarified, risk undermining public confidence in the National Assembly and the Senate. He said when the House of Representatives gets 1 million each, Senate gets 3 million each for the same bill to be passed. Statements of this nature must be backed by verifiable facts and represented through appropriate preliminary chambers. He cannot just speak to the public. Why? Is he not representing the public? As the 10th Assembly recently crossed its midterm mark, the stakeholders nationwide are rightly demanding accountability from their elected representative, a legitimate and essential expectation and driver in every thriving democracy. The House remains focused on delivering its mandate under the Legislative Agenda 2023 to 2027, which emphasizes transparency, accountability, and responsiveness to the people. The leadership of the House has constantly encouraged members to engage with their constituency during recess and report to their stewards. This commitment is reflected in frequent town hall meetings and public hearings, including a series of midterm engagements held in June and July. presided over by the Speaker, Teju Abes. The National Assembly is an institution of records with well-established and transparent procedures for introducing bills. What he's saying is a lie. The Senate President and the House Representative Leader will have to look into this matter and report back to the public. Motions are petitions governed by the Constitution, House Standing Order, and preliminary ethics. The insinuations that sponsoring a bill or sponsoring a motion or a bill is contracted job involving bribery is inconsistent with those procedures and must be clarified. He says the House Representative gets between 1 to 3 million for bills to be passed, while the Senate gets a higher amount. When the House reconvened, a lawyer will be invited to substantiate his claims before the House. Should he be unable to provide evidence, the matter will be referred to the House Committee on Ethics and Privileges for thorough and appropriate consideration in line with the preliminary procedures. Reacting to the bribery allegation, Minority Leader of the House of Representatives, Kingsley Chidi, in an interview with Punch, dismissed a lawyer remark emphasizing that he has never been paid for his bill or motion to be taken despite spending 14 years in the House. Chidi questioned why a lawmaker would pay money for his bill or motion to be heard, adding that the House was looking forward to hearing from a lawyer when they resume from recess. He said, I have been in the House for 14 years and I have never paid money for my bill or motion to be taken. I am taken aback by the claim by the honorable member. Perhaps he will share his experience with the House, which we are not aware of. I wonder why a member will be paid for his bill or motion to be heard. Who was the money paid to? Where did he get the money from? Similarly, the leader of the Northwest Caucus in the House and member representing Jiba Casti Federal Constituency, Katsina State, Sadi Soy, said the Green Chamber should handle this issue and do not allow the public to lose trust in the Senate or the House of Representatives. He said, I don't think I should join in this discussion. The House is dealing with the matter already appropriately. That is all I have to say. So this is what is happening. The Senate President will have matters to answer to. The House of Representatives also have matters to answer to. Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Bye for now. We'll bring you up to speed. Bye-bye.